Alright, Flat Rate Mechanic here again, and I wanted to go over one of the most common mistakes that every mechanic has probably made in their career, and it has to do with tires. If this has ever happened to you, be sure to comment in the comment section below, or if you've ever made this mistake yourself, go ahead and drop a comment below. But it has to do with your tires. So if you go into your mechanic shop and you have 4 new tires replaced, you're always going to want to double check to make sure that the mechanic installed your tires correctly. There's 2 things you're going to want to look for. A lot of tires are directional, so they're only supposed to go one way, and also even tires that aren't directional are sometimes going to be labeled outside and inside. So you're going to want to look on your sidewall, and as you can see on this one right here, it says rotation. So this is a directional tire, so you need to go around and make sure all your tires are going in the right direction. It's very common for this to get overlooked or not seen. It's even more common for a non-directional tire that's supposed to be mounted inside or outside to be mounted wrong. This particular tire doesn't have it, but I'll try and put a picture up here of one that does. It's going to be labeled somewhere on this outer side. It's going to say outside or it's going to say inside. You're going to want to make sure that the outside of the tire here says outside and not inside. If it says outside, then it's on backwards. If this arrow is pointing in the wrong direction, then it's either on the wrong side or the tire is going to have to be dismounted and remounted. Another easy way to tell if you have a directional tire is it's usually going to have a V shape on the tread. As you can see here, somewhat of a V shape there, and that V, the front of the tire, is always going to be pointed down if it's going in the right direction. If on the front of the tire that V is pointed up, then the tire is on wrong. But hope this video was helpful. Just if you get new tires installed, it's always a good idea to make sure they were put on properly, because it's very easy to overlook. If this was helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the Flat Rate Mechanic. Thanks for watching.